So you can swoop your edges and have them lay like this. You can do a light fluffy swoop, or you can not swoop at all. Which is your favorite? Curl goes all the way up to the roots. Look how defined my curls are. Hi guys, welcome back to BeautyWithTy. So today we got a lot in store. Let's go. Alright, so they sent me some goodies. Julia Hair sent me this nice big oversized bag. Here's the wig plus more goodies, wig caps, melt bands on deck, lashes, and here's a cute little brush. You're going to see me use it later on in the video as well. So this is a 13x4 transparent lace with kinky edges. Get into these curls. They are juicy. They are so defined. Those are those kinky edges. And here's all the lace specs. So throwing that right on, and yeah. I don't know what's up with these little baby ass wigs. So if my head big, because they're not coming all the way down. They're not. Now I can see. I want to show you these curly edges. See, they're pushed back right now, but see here, you can pull them down. You see them there? And you can see my knots. I'm going to go ahead and bleach them. And see, I straightened the edges. See, they're actually this long when they aren't curled. So you can still swoop them and do all that good stuff. The entire front hairline is cut out for you. Alright, I'm playing. Let me go ahead and bleach my knots so I can install. Alright, so let me show you the two caps on my hair really quick. Okay, so this is the regular bald cap. You can see on the thicker side compared to this one. You can kind of barely see my hairline. Okay, now for the center one, you see how you can actually see my hairline? Perfect. I seen someone on TikTok say cut behind your ear tab and then pull it around. That's perfect. And then it rip more that way and not all the way across the top. Cause what? And another tip, I like to spray, then take my finger to rub it in. And then once I get it close to my hairline, I like to tilt my head back because I don't want it going all the way down my forehead. Alright, so here I am finishing up my bald cap. And I love this thin pantyhose bald cap that they sent me. 10 out of 10 recommend, and it's so much better than the regular bald cap. I can't say it does rip a little bit more though. Alright, so you see here I bleached my knots. It looks amazing. I'm just going to hot comb everything back before I glue it down. So for this install, I'm using Erica J lace glue here and just distributing that all around my hairline. I'm only staying on my bald cap. So you see here I only have glue on my bald cap, pulling my wig down, and then the rest of the wig I will add got to be glued to kind of lay it down instead of adding more glue. See here, it looks really good, but I'm just going to add that spritz and then mold it down so that it goes all the way down to my edges. If you're looking for some thick fluffy hair, this is for you, sis. And if you have 4C hair and you want some weave to match it, look no further. Look at this wig here. You got your curly edges. You got the texture of the hair where it looks like it's blown out, or you can straighten it, or you can curl it and define it. So I'm going to go ahead and swoop my edges because y'all know me. Y'all know I love the edges, girl. I was feeling it. So I swooped it at first, but later on you're going to see I just did more of a fluffy look. So this was the night that I installed the wig, and I just wanted to get like some bantu knots, so I just used that little roller thing next morning, and this is the next day, so just fluffing that out. Tell me what you think. This hair is so bomb. I will keep this wig forever, 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 because I love it so much. I love the edges. I love how versatile it is. You can wear it up, you can wear it down. Honey, I was in love with this wig. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you feeling it. This is the next day. Now I'm ready to go ahead and get the curls back popping. Alright, jumping into these curls, baby. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off with a small section, just using my water mister to distribute this water. And you see I'm starting off at my ends. It's easier. And then it's not enough water. So guess what I'm doing? I'm adding more water. You can see here the comb isn't flowing through. So I add more water and then boom. That's all you need. This wig just needs some love and some water because the curls are there. You just got to pull them out. Now to define my curls even more, I'm going to use my Erica J Fluff Stuff. And look at this. Boom. Now this is the results that you're looking for when you have a curly wig. Look how defined these curls are. So I'm working my way up, still using small/medium sections to comb out my hair. Now one thing I wish I would have done prior to this installing this wig, I really wish when I bleached my knots I washed this entire wig, but I didn't. I only washed the bleach off, but I wish I would have washed the entire wig so that I could get my curls defined fully, as well as like kind of take out some of the shedding hair. The curls are literally poppington. See that? Get my roots to curl up. Curl goes all the way up to the roots. Now for a little extra razzle dazzle, I add a little bit more of my fluff stuff to define my curls. And look at this. Yeah, that's the results you want. Y'all click the link down below and go shop. So this side is the blown out state and this side is the curly state. So I'm going to diffuse this, dry it a bit. First of all, this diffuser is new, so I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right, but you know, something like this to keep your curls defined while you're drying them. Okay, so my hair is about 50-60% dry. Look how defined my curls are. The entire hair strand is curly. Yeah, true inches for days. Curls for days. Okay, so my hair is about 90% dry. One more time for the curls in the back. It's all defined from root to tip. So I'm going to go ahead and do my edges one more time. And this time I'm going for a more fluffier look. So back in with my Erica J Fluff Stuff. Because this girl knew what she was doing when she was formulating this fluff stuff. And that's exactly what it's doing. Fluffing my edges. I was really just trying to do like fluffy, effortless baby hair. But I love swoops. You know, like. Hands down. Look at these edges. The best fluffy edges that you can ask for. This wig is so natural and so realistic. Tell me it ain't so. Tell me this ain't my hair. So you can swoop your edges and have them lay like this. You can do a light fluffy swoop. Or you can not swoop at all. Which is your favorite? Alright, now that you see all that you can do with this wig, because it's so versatile, so curly, it's just bomb.com. Click the link down below so you can go get yours.